I'm Pete Nowaskey with Nowaskey Performance, and today I am going to do the very first in a new series of videos that we're going to put out, and it's called 2 Minute Tuesday. Tuesday is my favorite day of the week, by the way. So today I want to talk to you about the HHI axle adjuster kit available at Nowaskey.com. This is a great kit if you're doing performance riding or building big power because we all know that there's issues with the standard axle adjuster on 09 and up baggers, getting that adjusted precisely and staying where it needs to be. So this is a bolt-on axle adjuster system and shock relocation system. So it allows full range of axle adjustment with a dual lock nut setup here, so it's guaranteed to stay in place. That dual lock nut is key. And also they have great reliefs in here, so you can get a wrench in here and adjust it. I know sometimes with aftermarket stuff that's a problem, but that's definitely relieved well, so you can get a good precise adjustment. So looking at the back side, you bolt it on the swing arm and it uses the shock bolt to hold it in place. And then the axle as well. So now you have two locations, stock and +1 for your suspension. So your stock location will be the rearmost mounting point. Now that's a little higher in back, so your ride height ends up the same. If you want +1, you use the front mount here. So that'll allow you precise adjustment and to elevate your bike. So if you have a 13-inch shock, it'll be like a 14. We also have a nice chrome moly hollow axle here, reduced weight and good strength, 36 millimeter nut on both ends, along with your safety clip there. So this is an awesome kit. If you're building horsepower, doing performance riding, or want to get precise axle adjustment, make sure that chain or belt stays at the proper tension. Really, really good upgrade, especially if you aren't going to put a whole swing arm on. So another great performance part available at Nowaskey.com. Go there and get yours today. And I'm Pete Nowaskey with 2 Minute Tuesday.